What are you eating, Max? That's a gross amount. What are you eating, Jack?
Pasta.
Can you take a big bite? That's a very big bite. Oops. All right. Oh, that's a big bite.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
Is it good? Is spaghetti and meatballs your favorite? Yeah? Ah, yummy. How old are you?
3.
Take another bite.
You said it's. Come on, over here.
Yeah.
It's just awesome. Like,
The best?
oh, yeah. I owe my meatballs if you can.
Please don't.
I'm done, Mama.
Drop it in your lap.
Got some in mine.
Okay, eat it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Max, that's too much. Don't choke. Okay, stop. 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 I'm going to show this to your future girlfriend. This is how Max eats.
My clock will fall down. I have no idea who is my future girlfriend. Then my clock will fall down.
You think? What are you doing with your teeth? You look kind of freaky like that.
I don't like this. They're good.
Eat your pasta. You learned that from your brother. Eat your pasta.
Yeah.
Pasta. Num num. Eat it. Is it good? Ooh. What do you say? What do you say?
You.
You say, excuse me. Yes.
Excuse me. Up there, the camera. World champion burper. Yeah.
But you do say, excuse me.
Yeah.